Hey there, my name is Zara. Today we're learning the basics of grammar. We'll teach you the basic principles of grammar in this video. Let's start. What is grammar? Grammar is like the rules for how we speak and write. Here are some simple basics to help kids understand English grammar. 1. Parts of a sentence. Every good sentence has two main parts: who or what, subject. This is the person, animal, or thing doing something. Example: the dog, what they do. Verb: this is the action or what is happening. Example: runs. Together, the dog runs. 2. Nouns. Nouns are naming words. They name people, places, animals, or things. Example: cat, school, mom, ball 3. Verbs. Verbs are action words. They tell us what someone or something is doing. Example: jump, eat, sing, play 4. Adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. They tell us more about a noun. Example: big dog, red ball, happy child. 5th sentence example: the happy cat jumps. The happy cat, who, subject, jumps. What they do. Verb: 6. Punctuation period. Use it at the end of a sentence. I like apples. Question mark. Use it for questions. What is your name? Exclamation mark. Use it to show excitement. Wow, that's amazing. 7. Tenses. Tenses tell us when something happens. Past: yesterday. I played. Present: now. I play. Future: tomorrow. I will play. I'm creating amazing videos that make learning English simple and unforgettable. That's enough for today. Memorize to learn basic grammar. Keep practicing. And I'll see you in the next video. Let's keep learning together. Wait a bit. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.